Hi everyone, it's Caroline. Welcome to my desk. Thanks for visiting. I'm going to do the Happy Mail draw, and all the names are in the names that were entered that wanted to receive some Happy Mail are in here. And this is what I'm sending. It's this really pretty stamp set. I already have this stamp set and I'm happy to give it away. I'm also going to tuck in some other goodies. And let's just get right into the draw. I've got them in this heart box. Just the old-fashioned way. This was a great way to do it. I'm going to choose this one here. So let's see who the recipient is of this Happy Mail. And it's Sherry Barfield 8446. Congratulations. I'm really happy to be able to send you some Happy Mail, Sherry. If you wouldn't mind giving me your mailing address, I will link my email below and you can contact me and we'll set that up and I'll get this out to you within the week. Well, I'm going to do 2 more draws for a couple of runner-ups. I'd love to send snail mail to everybody. So if you do want snail mail, you can still send me a quick email and share your address, and I'd love to pop something fun in our post. So until then, I'm going to pick this one here, and this is Julie Rouse 5232. Julie, please send me some information at the email and I'd love to send you a little something. And then I'm also going to choose this one. And this is Ellie Bean. Ellie 8244. You can let me know your address. I'd love to send you something in the mail too. All right, I have these beautiful papers that I received in Happy Mail, and I've been using them, tearing them and using them in some of my journaling. But I wanted to make something with these, and they're folded already. I think it's writing paper of some kind. It's hard to tell. And there's quite a few here, and I was thinking I would love to make, I'm in the mood for mini, love mini journals, and I need something that I can create in. I'm doing some random, for no reason, glue booking and also some collage making, but I wanted a journal that I could do some daily journaling. And there's quite a few pages here, so I'm going to come up with something for this paper. Now I'm going to take this single sheet here where is it? It's pretty lightweight, so I don't know if I'm going to back it with something. I might put it on, but I love the white. I love the softness of it. I was thinking of keeping it very feminine and just going in that direction because I love shabby. I love grunge. This is probably going to be more shabby than grunge, but maybe a little combo. I'm not too sure. Well, this is nothing new. This is, I'm going to join these together, and because of the way they are folded, I'm going to do a flippy floppy journal. I love this way of making journals. I think it's so simple. It uses, minimal things. Now, because this is going to be a flip journal, I will definitely have to do some kind of a seam. So here's a seam. My other journals that I did, I always reinforced the seam so I could fold it, and I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to use some scrap paper that I have on the side, trying to clean up some things. These are items that it's recycled paper that didn't work out very well. So actually I'll use this one right here. You can see that I used the back side of a test paper for my printer. And I'll use this one. And that'll be perfect. So we do have, you can tell this paper has pink, very light pink on it. This is really a fun way to do these journals for me. I always say I'm not going to sew, and then sometimes I end up sewing. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'll just use it this way. I could use tape. That would also be very good. I think what I'll do right now is just do the strips of paper. I'm going right over the seam like that. I just love not knowing where this is going to take me because there's no theme. Not a theme. Make a crease. Could go this way. Guess I'm going to create my own creases here, because you know that I'm going to be layering this. I'm going to use one of these here. And go this way. Some of these pages are not all the same width. So I'm going to continue to do this. I think I'll fast forward because it's the same idea. I have these two pages here, and I think what I'm going to do is connect them. Oh, sorry. I have these two pages here. I'm going to make pockets out of them. What I'll do is I'll make a pocket, a top loading and a side loading. So I'm going to take it to the machine and sew around. I was going to glue it, and I think I will just do a little bead of glue. Like this here. So that's a top and this is a side, so I'm going to go up here like that. And this is it's always an experiment. I don't know what it's going to look like, but I think it's fun. I always have fun making these. I always enjoy working in them. And it's always a pleasant surprise the way it turns out. This is my side. I'm going to do a seam in there too. My sewing is finished, and so here's my side pocket, and then I have, oh, I gotta better make sure I have it the right way. And this is my top pocket. I think I will put it on this facing page like that. And then I'll just continue. I will continue. And glue that on. Yeah, I don't know how sturdy this is going to be. Not very, but it's, the more papers that you add, it gives it robustness and stability. Just have to decide. I think I'm going to make my, I think I'm going to put it this way so that my top pocket and then my side pocket like that. Let's do it like that. I don't know what kind of paper this is. I really try to find out. And I think when I first received this, I received this in Happy Mail. I thought it was rice paper. I don't have rice paper. And I thought that's what it was, but okay. Did I do that the right way? Oh, yes, I did. Okay, so that's my first. I don't know which way it's going to go. Then like that. And then like this. So you have your side pocket, then you have your top. Oh, it's the wrong way. Now I gotta go this way. Got to go this way. Because I have quite a few of these pages, so I can afford to double them up. I think I was being a little stingy with my papers, but I really like the way this sewing looks on here, so I might change my mind. Yeah, so I might sew some more. This can go like this. You can make it up as you go along. That's the fun thing about using up your supplies. However you have your supplies, if it's already things that's in your stash, things that people gave you, even things that you bought. I just want to make sure that, oh yeah, my fold is there. I don't want to put my threads in there. That one is going to be crooked. I'm going to continue folding out. And this goes like this. This goes like this. To me, this is neat. This is crafting. This is my art form. But if you want something that's completely even and straight, then do it. You know, it's your fun project. Look at this part here. This is hanging over the top, but I'm going to probably put some fun trim on there, or I don't know what I'm going to do. This is just something that I wanted to use these papers, and I'm kind of just doing it intuitively, as I like to call it. When I'm finished this, I'm going to look at it and decide if I put it through the sewing machine a little bit more. And as I always say, you do not have to use a sewing machine if you don't have a sewing machine dedicated just for crafting, or, you know, if you just don't sew at all. Glue is all you need, and maybe some tape for reinforcement. You don't even need tape. Let's see what I have left. I have these. And I have this. All the same little print. I think I'll make another pocket right here. So this one will be a top one again. I decided not to commit to putting it on the back. I want to count my pages. I want to have at least 1 month worth of pages. And now that this is the end of gee, I'm way ahead of myself. This is the end of August, so this can become my daily September journal. And so I'm going to have probably not the first page, because the first page is like the cover. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. So I do need more. Okay. But I can also do a little bit of, I can put an insert. I could use one of these. Oh, that would be fun. I could add this in here. That's more than enough. It's difficult to see, and I have 2 of my little inserts. I'm going to take these to the sewing machine, sew them in, and I'll be back to show you what this looks like. Well, this is my fun journal that I just came up with because I wanted to use these pages. I think they're writing paper, but I wanted to use them and make a little journal with them. I'm going to measure this for you. The width of the little book is 3.5 by 5.5. A little mini. That'll be the cover. I think I have it the right orientation. I'll figure that one out when I flip through it. We have some pages here. And I have that. Very soft paper. And everything will be reinforced when I start to add my journaling. There's a top loading pocket. Here's a side loading pocket. And because it's such a fine paper, it'll be fun to see how it gets fluffy. I like it when my journals get fluffy. And then it goes on like this. Yeah, some of these are connected because I did the pockets. And there's the front. And I like the little threads. I could do some more sewing because it's very compact, it's very tiny. And I like the feel of it already. Well, thank you very much, everyone. I'm excited to get working in this journal. No idea what it's going to look like. And, you know, right now I have this scrappy piece of ribbon that could be in there. I have all kinds of fun things to play with. I still have some of this scrap that could go in there. I don't know. That'll be the fun journey. Join me as I explore and create in this one. Maybe you'll create your own. You just need some fun papers. It doesn't have to be anything special. It could even be something like a misprint like this. Just do some random folds and start creating. So fun. Always be adventurous and stay fresh. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.